As far as doing sketchy things in a hotel room is concerned, I have a power bank. I have this. I have no idea what this is. Is this a TS100? Oh well. Let's plug this in this way. There we go. Hmm. Well, this is my first time in like 2 months holding a soldering iron. I don't have solder. It's sad. Can you see? No, not okay. 300, and you get to set it in 1 degree increments. Wonder if you can. Ah, perfect. Very intuitive. Let's see. There's water. Oh, barely get it to drip. Hmm. Okay. It's definitely getting hot. We might be draining the power bank and damaging the tip, which is not good. Now I better stop before I set this place on fire.